All right, 225 Wanamaker Ave here in Essington. Take this in. So got a little bit of some aerial footage, a little tricky down there. So clearly nothing high. Right across the street is a park. And then you can look, geez, I wish I knew what it was called now. I'm always gonna call it the Lagoon, but that's right there, and the waterfront, and yet another park right there. You could see some of the playground equipment. So here we're gonna spot check the roof and rotate down and see how big that yard is. But while we have some of this drone footage, honestly, this is a big house, and then behind it is 2 other units. So we're gonna call it as a duplex, but it's technically a triplex. And that being said, the one 2 houses down, we're actually selling. So, you know, compare that one to this one. Really hard to compare because they're different in size and how they're finished. But in the video, you'll see this one's currently being used as a crash pad for airline attendants. So if you can keep that going, it can be quite lucrative and essentially a house hack situation. So there we are. You can see how big that house is, how new the roof is, or I should say newer, how long the driveway is, and then again, showing you that park before we get inside. All right, 225 Wanamaker here in Essington. Take that in. Has a big garage. Also want to give you a shot. The water's right down there. So, used to be the Lagoon. I'll zoom in. Actually selling a house right there. Got to fix my sign. There's the water. I'll take you back and look right across the street. Open space and a park. So fantastic. It's warning me that tenants might be here. Really prefer no one to be in here while we're seeing a house. But let's take you down and show you that garage too in the back. Incredible. So let's get you inside right now. All right, and in we go. Not used to this lock box, but I'll figure it out. All right, and we are in. Let's be quick. Hello.
Oh, hello?
Hey, realtor here going through. You okay?
Oh, I didn't know I was coming today.
Oh, no worries. Still cool to come through?
Yeah, let me, you can go ahead and come in here. I'll go ahead and...
Yeah, if the lights are on, that makes it a bit easier.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you the only one here?
In the main house, yeah. I don't necessarily know if the 2 ladies are in the back, though.
Okay, I'll knock there too. Thanks, man.
Okay.
Cool. Awesome looking house.
Thank you. Yeah, the other 3 lights are right there by the...
Front door?
No, to the living room. No, they're right there in the...
Yeah, I gotta see something. All right, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, there's nobody in there.
Roommate situation?
Yeah, we're all flight attendants, and so we stay in a crash. It's
Cool.
considered like a crash.
Yeah, no, I have one down the street.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I get the deal. Cool.
Okay, yeah, so there's 2 of us in the main, and then there's 2 people in the back. But the
Really?
one guy isn't here right now, so it's just me in the main house, and then I don't know if the 2 ladies are here.
I'll check. Totally cool. All right, I'll run through. I won't bother you too much, all right?
Oh, you're fine.
All right. So this is somebody's bedroom. All right, really cool ceilings. We got lights. All right. Wow, cool ceilings here too. And I guess this is going to open up to there. Oh, they just blocked it off. Cool. Let's head on through, get our bearings here. Wow, awesome kitchen. Really awesome kitchen. Take this. And that's that other house there too. I guess 227 is the address there. Wow. This place is cool. Very cool. All right, a little nook right there. Let's see if we get some lights on. All right. Full bathroom here. Back it up. All right, take it in. Cool little nook there. And look at that kitchen. Massive. Massive. A lot of cabinets, high ceilings. Get the angle of this room. All right, and then since they figured that out, they brought the laundry up here, put it in that closet. Smart move. Really cool. And then down here, it's that first floor bedroom. Looks like we can go through too. Hello, hello. Whew. Okay, just an entranceway from there. All right. Gotta get your bearings on this house. This one is cool. All right, so full bathroom here. Nice and updated. Toilet, and then, yep, some storage. Basically a built-in linen closet. Some crown molding here. You're cool, all right. Check this out. So here's technically the second bedroom. Huh. Where does that take you? I have to explore. Oh, private entrance. Check that out. Very nice. So this is technically bedroom number 2 so far, since there was one downstairs, so we're up to 2. Nice floors, window AC. This is going to be bedroom number 3. Cool, good size room. Spin you around. That's going to be a closet. Cool. We're going to save that. So this is bedroom number 4. Got multiple beds in it. Gonna be a closet. Spin around. High ceilings. Got a ceiling fan in there. So that was bedroom 4, and then up we go, which I believe is going to be bedroom number 5. Look at that. Yeah. It could be broken up into multiple rooms. We're going to call this bedroom number 5. Whew. Big house. And we still have, I'm sure this has a basement. I just don't know if you can only check out the basement from the outside. Make sure you see everything. Yeah, nice house. Newer window here. I'll check the other ones. Bathroom, just a recap. That goes out to its private little area, which is nice. Is there access to the basement in here?
No, you have to go
outside.
This little side door.
Cool. Hey, thank you for your help.
Yeah.
And you said there may be 2 ladies?
Yeah, they're usually in and out too.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Hey, thanks, man.
If you have any questions.
Dude, have a good day. Take care. Very helpful. All right. So we figured that one out. Never know. Wow, so crash pad, very cool. Just thinking, so I didn't show this room. Fan in here too. So this wraps in and around. That can be your private entrance to that side. This is phenomenal. There we go, that goes out to the porch. Here we go. The private drive to here. Clearly it was a garage at some point in time. We converted it. Back around here. See the size of that. Awesome house. There's a deck back here while we have our boots on. There's a shed. Looks like newer AC for that. Oh yeah. Look at this. There's the basement he was saying. There's no reason to go down there for most people. We're not most people. All right, down we go. Do we got lights? We're gonna find out. There's these here. All right, newer HVAC, cool. Some window AC units, a lot of storage, hot water heater, or I should say water heater. Newer plumbing. Looks like a lot of newer wiring. All right. Stone construction there. Oh, another panel. Oh. All right. All labeled. That's it. Nothing else to see down here. All right, we're out of the basement, just checking. Good amount of storage here. Intricate locking mechanism. Cool. That's incredible. That's the house right there that I have under contract for my clients. All right. Fantastic. So good yard. You got another shed here. Let's see if anybody's home. I know there's a few units here. Let's see.
Yeah?
Hey, I'm the realtor. Okay to still come in?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'm taking my boots off and I'm coming up, okay? Thank you. I'll keep my distance.
Oh, okay.
Wow. All right, so here's the kitchen. Very nice. Living room. Bathroom. Full bath, obviously. Back you up there. Spin you around. All right, they've locked off that door. There's a closet behind me. Cool. There's a small bedroom here. Hi, sorry about that. That's it.
Okay.
Do you know if they're here downstairs too?
No, that's like his storage space.
Oh,
right
cool.
now,
So no one's there.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Have a good one.
You too.
Cool. So this used to be a garage back in the day. They utilized it great now. So that's storage, she just told us. Let's go check that out. This might just be on the side. Let's see. Oh yeah, check this out. Goodman, all right. Newer for sure. Merry panel. Inspected. New PEX lines. Water heater, gas fed. Let's see if there's anything else back there. Not that I can see. Very cool. All right, and then she said, just storage in here. Oh, hello. That doesn't look like storage. Hello. It's another unit. Well, there you go. Well, let's take the boots off. Guess it may be being used as storage right now. But this is another unit. Holy. Look at this. Goes way back there. Yeah, definitely being used as storage, but this is a livable unit. Clearly, you want to come in there. Let me spin you around. You come in right there. There's your kitchen. Looks like it has most everything it needs. This has got to be a bathroom. Oh yeah, plenty of room over there. Toilet, shower, sink. I mean, almost enough room. Almost put another bathroom. Wow. Whoever configured this did great. Nice work too, just like the main unit. I do see some things that are, not typical. Someone put some time, money, effort, and design capability towards it, and made some cool stuff. So, let's head on out of here. And think about this one a bit. Because this is not normal. In a good way. I mean, there's just a lot of possibility here. So up there was 2 bedrooms. I'm going to call this 1 bedroom. And the main house had 5 bedrooms. There's that main house. Oh wow, look, AC units up there too. Check this out. I'm telling you, I still love seeing houses. This is incredible. Little side porch here. I mean, my wheels are just turning how to, hack this even more. Get more rooms or more livable units or more storage. I mean, that's in the back. Wonder if you could bring it forward. Have another unit there, or anything for storage for a shed. Incredible. Remember, I mentioned the park there before. Take that in. Well, there you go.